So, what exactly is the mustard station drill, and why do I have to do it?
Well, first thing you need to know about the muster station drill is it is required by maritime law. The ship cannot sail without every passenger on board going through that muster station drill.
So we're going to show you how easy the muster station drill is.
Folks, it is...
It's my turn, it's my turn. I'm going to sign to the muster station. You ready?
Okay.
Yeah, you can tap it.
Ta-da!
Wait a minute, was that it?
Is that it?
So easy, right?
That's it. So
What else do we need to know?
So in case of any real emergency situation, you guys just go to the Alfredo Pizzeria, take a seat, and listen to our instructions, alright?
Okay, and then what, we go back to our cabin and watch a video or
And
something?
watch the safety video, and that's it. You don't need to wear your life jacket and be here, listen to the captain's announcement.
It's that easy, folks.
So
you hear
easy,
that?
right?
You hear it? You heard it right here on the Sky Princess with us right here.
Alright, amazing.
Thanks, y'all. We appreciate it.
Yes.
Folks, it is so easy, even I can do it.
Well, we hope that you've enjoyed this video and now you have an understanding about why the muster drill is necessary and how easy it is to do.
It's so easy. Just go get it done, and then you can go on there and get your first rum punch, your first slice of pizza, and start your cruise vacation.
If you've not subscribed to our channel yet, we do ask that you subscribe to our channel and hit that thumbs up. It's good for the channel and helps other people find us as well. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.